wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best mechanical keyboards for gaming. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, claiming to withstand up to 80 million keystrokes, the Razer Blackwidow Chroma V2 is a sleek and well-refined unit made with esports professionals in mind. It's individually lit with the brand's fully customizable RGB system for excellent visibility in the dark. It offers a tactile and silent operation and syncs with other Razer devices. However, the price is exceptionally high. At number 9, constructed of a durable aluminum alloy, the SteelSeries Apex M750's keys require 45 grams of force and sit atop clones of Cherry's famous linear switches. It's built by a company widely known for its successful lines of headsets and input devices. This one's designed without a number pad and provides customizable Discord notifications, but there is a considerable amount of light bleed. Coming in at number 8 on our list, from one of the PC world's input leaders, the Logitech G Pro sports the company's one-of-a-kind Chroma G switches, which have an actuation distance of only 1.5 millimeters. No light leaks from underneath the keys, resulting in a clean and sharp appearance. It's equipped with a reinforced micro USB connection and a 3-step angle adjustment. However, it is incompatible with common keycaps. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mechanical keyboards for gaming, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the innovative Razer Huntsman Elite is the first of its kind to utilize optical technology, and it's built to last a long time, even through multiple PC upgrades. No detail was spared in the design of this unit. Even the wrist rest is lit with the Chroma RGB system. It includes dedicated media buttons and an onboard memory for settings profiles, but it is among the most expensive. Moving up our list at number 6. If you like to play while seated on the couch, or if you're just averse to cables, consider the Corsair K63 Wireless. There's even a matching lap board available, enabling the most ergonomic setup for intense gaming sessions. It features 128-bit AES encryption and a compact 87-key layout. However, its blue backlight may be distracting. Halfway up our list at number 5. Available with 5 different low-profile switch types to suit your preference, the Logitech G513 is especially durable and includes a memory foam wrist support. It uses the Light Sync system to stay visible, as well as integrate with chat and in-game events. It comes with 5 programmable macro buttons, a USB pass-through port, and 10-key anti-ghosting. At number 4, although it looks quite plain, the G-Skill Ripjaws KM570 hides a high-performance secret underneath. It uses Cherry's newest switch called the Speed Silver, which boasts razor-thin actuation travel of a mere 1.2 millimeters. It offers a linear and click-free operation, lightning-fast reaction times, and a built-in Windows key lock. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Those on a thin budget won't have to sacrifice much thanks to the redragon Kumara, whose metal frame and 10-keyless configuration are quite durable and won't take up much space. It has a simple red backlight, while the multicolored version costs a few dollars more. This is an incredibly popular choice, with authentic Cherry MX blue switches and a gold-plated USB connector. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mechanical keyboards for gaming, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you insist on looking your best while racking up kills, the Roccat Vulcan 100 aimo may be the one for you. This gorgeous typing surface sports a flush brushed aluminum faceplate and proprietary brown-style mechanisms that don't make noise when actuated. It features an N-key rollover with 0 ghosting and a travel of less than 4 millimeters, and it's 100% remappable. And coming in at number 1 on our list, from a well-respected peripherals manufacturer, the HyperX Alloy FPS Pro is a straightforward and highly reliable model, available in 87 and 104 key versions. It's also offered with your choice of Cherry MX red or blue actuators. It comes with a solid steel frame, a dynamic red backlight, and a detachable USB cable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mechanical keyboards for gaming, or simply click beneath this video.